A money-back guarantee. That's what comes standard with every Laurel BMW of Westmont new car or truck.
The 2012 BMW 335 IS Coupe, flaunting ferocious force and stunning good looks. And with the new 320 horsepower 335i twin-power turbo engine, you'll have a dynamic powerhouse that ensures optimum performance. Make yourself right at home with the Comfort Access system, offering an even greater degree of convenience with keyless access to unlock doors and turn the engine on or off. The optional Harman Kardon premium sound system with a USB integrated system and satellite radio delivers a powerful audio performance that pumps the highest definition soundtrack to the open road. Surprisingly intuitive, the 2012 BMW 335 IS Coupe helps you see things you normally wouldn't with park distance control and xenon adaptive headlights, providing clarity and peace of mind behind the wheel. The 2012 BMW 335 IS Coupe. Classic looks, paired with unrivaled power.
Thank you for shopping Laurel BMW of Westmont, where our money-back guarantee, free Carfax report, and our low prices make buying a new vehicle worry-free. Laurel BMW of Westmont is conveniently located at 430 East Ogden Avenue in Westmont, Illinois, just 10 minutes west of Highway I-294.